In this tutorial, we will design the product card for our LED mask from scratch. The foundation of premium e-commerce is visual trust. Our focus is clean minimalism, precise 3D geometry, perfect black and white styling, and neat accents that instantly capture the attention of a static audience. We generate all graphic assets using GPT image. I'll show you how to break down a product into detailed infographics using precise text prompts. We are creating a step-by-step breakdown of the mask's layers, anatomical contours, and medical silicone structure, where every text block and line aligns perfectly. As a result, we get a polished, high-end visual presentation that fits perfectly into our Shopify store design and maximizes the product's perceived value for the buyer. Let's move on to the first step and break down the prompt structure. Let's enter our text prompt directly into the editor chat. Now let's select the GPT image model for image generation and send our request. Now you can see the processing, metadata appearing, and the image creation process underway. The first photo with our model is ready. The shot shows the product live on a face. The skin texture looks natural, and the facial proportions are perfectly preserved. The red light from within softly falls on the cheekbones and neck, creating a professional studio shoot effect. Now, let's create our product separately. To do this, we type a prompt, drag the resulting image into the editor chat, and specify that we want the standalone product on a black background. Great, the process has started. This is the product we ended up with. The product is shown separately on a clean black background so that all the focus is on it. The matte texture of the white plastic and the shape of the mask are clearly visible here. The red marking along the edges is neat, without any extra noise or blur. Now, let's send the next prompt to our editor chat, stating that we want to rotate our image and show it from a different angle. Again, we drag and send the request, waiting for processing. And here is our mask from a different angle. The angle shows the mask completely from the side. The shot is designed to show the shape of the body as well as the side straps and their attachments. All lines are smooth and the body parts fit together perfectly. We need this to create ad creatives and content in the future while maintaining the shape of our mask. And now we need to generate the back of the mask to see how it will look overall, so we can showcase the product's features. Sending it off, waiting for processing, everything generates quite quickly, and it works on the first try. The backside is ready, and this is our technical shot showing the inner side. In focus is a dense grid of LEDs and a smooth silicone coating. The light from the diodes is volumetric and directed inward, highlighting exactly how the mask works when worn. Everything turned out in a unified style. Let's look at each card. We now have 3 cards with different angles. There is a photo of our product on the model's face. And now we can create infographics. Again, we type a text prompt. The more precisely we describe our task, the better it will handle it and the better image it will produce. The process has started again. The first version of the infographics is ready, a ready-made 3-panel layout that combines different angles. The information is divided into 3 clear blocks: LED technology, head strap comfort, and usage results. The text is written in a simple, neat font with minimalist icons next to it. It turned out to be quite a minimalist style, but I would like to add more details. To do this, I will now send it a new text prompt. The process has started, waiting for processing, and let's see what updated process it has given us now. And here we can see a more detailed version of the product card. All information about materials and specifications is laid out in separate, neat plates. All text and graphics are aligned, creating a clean online store style. This already looks much more interesting. Here it added more details. In general, we built this entire project in quadcode.ai, and the scale here, of course, is unreal. We fully packaged a luxury product for Shopify using AI, and we did it all within a single ecosystem. Look at how much cool content we extracted, from complex infographics to juicy lifestyle shots with a model in an interior. The main beauty is that all of this visual content works toward one goal: making people want the product. When a buyer sees a live face, natural skin, and clean matte plastic, trust instantly clicks. Any questions about the price disappear because the image conveys the level of Apple or Dyson. And the main advantage here is speed. Think about how much time a classic studio would take: finding models, organizing shoots, hiring designers who would spend weeks rendering diagrams. It would take months and drain a lot of money. We went into quadcode.ai and, with the help of agents, put together a top-tier graphics pack in just a couple of hours. The speed is insane, and the output is high-end business visuals ready to drive conversions. In the end, we get not just a set of pictures, but a complete brand ecosystem, worked out to the smallest detail, from the box textures to the internal elements of the device itself. These are exactly the details that completely resolve any customer doubts and turn an ordinary online store into a premium business. And most importantly, this level of graphics is now accessible to absolutely everyone, without timeline uncertainty or bloated budgets.